This day is really a testament for Honor Philippines' commitment to bringing cutting-edge technology closer to every Filipino.
As early as January 1, 12:01 a.m., we started a revolution. A revolution of durability, and of course, we started the year 2025 with a trend. We are confident that we are bringing a product that is reliable for Filipinos. Not only in terms of durability, in terms of its strength or the ultra toughness, but also now in heat and also water resistance. We built the HONOR X9c, all-angle triple defense against drop, against water, and now against heat. Three elements that we frequently encounter as Filipinos, now protected by HONOR.
Hey!